All right, looks like quick update here for the Tesla solar panels. We got our new meters in. Not too sure what the difference is between the new ones versus the old ones. They just installed those today. Just waiting for the okay from Tesla to turn everything on here. Here's the solar edge. Not sure what this is. I think this connects this Wi-Fi thingy antenna, connects to the application on your phone. You can actually monitor and meter how much energy you're pulling in, as well as how much energy you're giving back to the grid. Hopefully it's a lot, so we get some credits. Here's the new meter. It says 00, so we're not pulling anything right now at the moment. Let's see, this is a panel, and they replaced the old one. Previously we had the old meter on here, and they had to replace this new meter. Alright, I'll keep you guys posted on when we actually turn this son of a thing on.